Ada Cardano fam, big update here in this video. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by this channel. Do me a quick favor, smash that like button. Let's push this up in the old YouTube algorithm for everybody in the Cardano ecosystem, all the holders out there, all the people interested in learning more about Cardano and its budding ecosystem. Let's make sure they see this video because according to Into the Block, the volume of large transactions on the Cardano network just this past week returned to above 30 billion ADA. Why is that significant? We're going to talk about that in this video. Now, here's the crazy thing. We've only seen really the Bitcoin dominance grow, meaning altcoins have really not caught up to the recent surge that Bitcoin has had. Now, of course, with all the bank runs, many people looking at Bitcoin as a great safe haven asset, right? That's what it's built for. Now, the altcoins are a little bit different. Speaking of Cardano, a top 10 crypto, not only has it not moved too much, but it really has stayed pretty stagnant here in 2023, meaning there's still a lot of growth potential here for ADA. We know it's not a fast mover. We know it's not, a quick, to the moon mover and big pullback. It's very gradual, right? We saw that even in the previous bull cycle in 2021. But coming back to this point, let me take you inside this article because this is very relevant here. The last time we saw the volume of large transactions on the Cardano network go above 30 billion ADA was 9 months ago. This was way back on May 31st, 2022. Now, a large transaction is defined as one that is greater than 100,000. This means in the past week, we've seen the number of large transactions finally reach the point to where they were back in May, almost, 10 months ago, May 2022. Now, interestingly, on the same days this local high in the index was reached, the price of ADA showed high amplitude price action. After rebounding 8% from the 0.3 per ADA level 7 days ago, the price managed to rise another 11% and then fall by 13% in the first 3 days of the new week. So again, it hasn't really impacted the price of Cardano significantly, but it shows us that people within the Cardano ecosystem are still transacting in large amounts. And this bodes well for the long-term future of Cardano. So at the current price level, we can take a look right now at Cardano sitting at about 34 cents. Still just great upside potential here. The volume has picked up in the last 24 hours, but we could see the all-time high on Cardano is sitting down here at $3.10. That's an 89% rise from here. That was set in late 2021 in early September there. That was the all-time high. Now, that gives us a great upside, about a 10x upside from here just to get back to all-time highs. And one of the reasons why I love Cardano is not only do we have 10x potential to get back to all-time highs at these current levels, we're just now seeing development really start to ramp up, right? With all of the new upgrades to Cardano, now is when we have more and more developers building on top of the Cardano ecosystem. And again, it's not a fast mover. It's not something overnight going to snap your fingers and 50x. It's not that, but it is a backbone in a lot of people's portfolios because since its inception, it's been in or around the top 10. It has great leadership and it has development activity. We've seen that in multiple occasions in videos. I've talked about it when we look at the GitHub reports. The development happening on Cardano continues to grow. That price, in my opinion, will come back around when we get back into a full-fledged bull cycle. And until then, I'll sit patiently on my ADA. Not financial advice, but I am a huge, huge believer in the future of the Cardano ecosystem. And it's great to see these large transactions ramping up in the last week. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Again, reminder, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you in the next one.